Hey learners, welcome back to my Tech Talk channel, SmartBotSphere. One of the viewers asked a comment in our previous video on open source license and which Windows version is compatible with Python. I have responded, but thought, why can't we make a detailed video on info requirements of Python and also a complete installation setup guide for 2025? Also, I have covered in this video how Python is open sourced, different aspects of its license mechanism. I will cover Power Automate in another video. Let's begin with infrastructure. Python is a platform-independent language. That means it supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. For smooth performance, go with a 64-bit processor, 2 GB RAM minimum, and at least 300 megabytes of free space. For better performance, especially if you're working with AI or data science, go for a modern multi-core processor and 8 GB of RAM or more. And yes, an internet connection is essential for downloading Python and packages. Let's now install Python. Launch any browser, navigate to python.org webpage, and download the latest Python version. By default, latest stable version of Python is shown on the page. Also, we can find links for different operating systems in the down. Let's scroll down. Here we can see different available versions of Python, including first released and the support and its release schedule. The upcoming Python version is 3.14, which is about to get released in October 2025. If you are looking for a specific release, then scroll down, click the respective download button to download the relevant version of Python. Click on the download button. To download the latest installer version will be in the system. The file is downloaded and it is ready to install. Just double-click the installer file. You can see the window like this. Don't forget to check Add Python.exe to path. Now all the standard packages and libraries are getting installed in the given folder. You can wait until it is installing. Do not click Cancel. Great! It shows the Python setup was successful. Click Close button to close the window. Now, we will check in the command prompt whether it is installed properly by typing Python ---- version. Click Enter. Wow! We have successfully installed the Python 3.13 in our system. Let's test with a simple code. Type Python and hit Enter. I am writing a print statement. Print of welcome enclosed with double quotes. Hit Enter. We can observe it printed the output. That's how we confirm installation happened correctly. Type exit command to exit the Python. Python is free and open source, thanks to the Python Software Foundation license, or PSF license. This is a highly permissive license, similar to MIT or BSD. It allows you to use, modify, and distribute Python, even for commercial projects. There's no requirement to open source your code, and no legal restrictions on redistribution. Just remember, while Python is free, the name Python and the logo are registered trademarks, so if you're using them for branding, make sure to get proper permission. Python continues to lead in automation, AI, web development, and education. It's beginner-friendly, enterprise-ready, and future-proof. If you haven't started learning Python yet, now is the perfect time. Make sure you're running the latest version, explore new features, and build something amazing. All the best from SmartBot Sphere.